Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to continue going through the Nutanix Cluster Questionnaire, specifically the cluster inventory section. So first we have the Nutanix cluster name and the Nutanix cluster IP. The Nutanix cluster name should resolve to the cluster IP and vice versa. So you should make sure that you add DNS records for these forward and reverse. The Nutanix cluster IP is a floating IP that lives on one of your CVMs in the cluster. And then if that CVM goes down, this IP address will float to a different CVM. This IP is used to reach Prism, which is your management interface. And the point of having this IP is to make Prism highly available. So Prism is really a service that runs on each of your CVMs, and you could reach it via a CVM IP address directly. The problem with that is if that CVM goes down or is under maintenance, then you'll lose access to Prism. So this cluster IP makes it so that in case of a CVM failure, this IP address will always be available and your Prism interface will always be available. Next, we have your AOS version. AOS stands for Acropolis Operating System, and this is the OS that runs on each CVM in your cluster. Within AOS, there are LTS and STS releases. That's long-term support and short-term support. Generally, in production environments, we recommend LTS releases. These focus on bug fixes and improvements, and they generally don't add any new features, making them more stable than the STS releases, which are typically reserved for non-production environments. That's all we're going to cover in this video. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to your project manager. I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.